Hello guys, good evening everyone. My name is Said Kayat. I just want to show you how to install GNS3, ASA firewall, the new VM ASA firewall into the GNS3. Then the GNS3 is the new one. Let me go here and say the GNS3 I'm using is GNS3 1.53 is the latest one. So how are we going to integrate ASA firewall into the GNS3? Okay, first of all, you have to go to firewall website and get the iOS for the ASA firewall. That's number one. The way I'm showing you now is to how to integrate and use GNS3 into ASA firewall. Okay, so first of all, we will go to the website, go to gns3.com, and we will go to marketplace, and then we will go to appliances, and then we will search ASA appliance. So we have to download that ASA virtual, which this is they call like appliances, but in my case I have it already in here. I have it here. Where's the GNS3 appliance? I've got it in here already. Let me show you. Got so many stuff. I got it in here. I got somewhere in here GNS3. Let me say like ASA or GNS3. Let me download it so you can see it. So I'm gonna say like download template, and then it's already downloaded into Cisco. The name was Cisco. And then if you go to my download, I've got two already. So I had downloaded that one before, but I downloaded this one now. So let me just delete the one I just downloaded. So that's what it is. So you need to have that appliance first. Windows and all the other platforms are the same. The processor is the same. Okay. So what I will do now, we'll go to GNS3, and we go to File, then we go to import appliance, and then this is my download right here. So I'm just gonna check it, my appliances that I had in here. So the one I have is here, it's already there, and I'm gonna open it. Then it's gonna tell me what it is. So this appliance, the means of this appliance, is they already pre-configure it. The GNS3 team pre-configure it what the ASA firewall would need. As I said before as well, the ASA firewall image you have to download from a Cisco firewall website. Okay, but this one it has been already pre-configured. This appliance, and whatever the image would require to run in GNS3 smoothly, it is it is already being pre-configured if you use this appliance. Okay, so the product is ASAP, vendor is Cisco, status is stable, GNS3 team, and then it's 64-bit. It requires 64-bit, and also it requires KVM. That means it will only run on VMware. Okay, so I'm using a GNS VMware now, GNS3 VMware. Nowadays there is a GNS3 which uses, always it is recommended by the GNS3 team. They say use GNS3 with VMware, do not use GNS3 local. So my one, I have the VMware running right here. This is the GNS3 VM. You see GNS3 1.53. Okay, so at this point I believe that you know GNS3 and how it works, and you are using GNS3 VMware. Okay, So you downloaded the appliance, you go to file, import appliance, you get your appliance from download, and you see all these categories because you already been pre-configured, and then you say next, and then you see run the appliance on the GNS3 VM. This is recommended, okay? Do not run and do not choose this one, or run appliance on the remote computer. Do not use that one, okay? Okay, yeah, because this one is recommended. Yeah, run appliance on GNS3 VM. That's the one is recommended by GNS3 team. And then next, and then it says like GNS3 server requirement is okay. You can continue the installation. Okay, I'm going to say like next, and then you see, yeah, I have this image already into my downloads. So now it is ready to install. Again, I'm repeating this again. The GNS3 image, the ASA V image, you have to go to Firewall, or you can, I mean, you know how other ways that you can get it, but I mean, you get it from Firewall, a Firewall website, from Cisco Firewall website, okay? And then you say next, and then it will say like, because when I highlight it, because all the others are missing, but this one is ready to install. When I say next, it will ask me like, would you like to install a Cisco ASA version, you know, 9.5.2 I will say yes, and then it will show me like what it will be available in the ASA firewall. The RAM will be 2 gig. The KVM will be, I mean, I will be using a VMware, because I'm using a firmware, GNS3 firmware, so this will take care of this KVM. Hard disk will be first. All this stuff like adapters will be 8. The console type will be VNC. The one we will open as a console, but we will change it to secure CRT. I will show you. I've been struggling that one for a while. And then adapter type will be E1000. So it's already been pre-configured if you use the appliance. And you say next, and then it says that there is no default password on the ASA firewall. That's good. Say next, and then it says ASA firewall is already used by another appliance. That means like I already have into my mix into my GNS3, and then you say like okay, so no problem. So this is the way you get it, okay? This is the way you get it. Yeah, okay. I'm not going to new name. It says like new name. I'm not using a new name. Okay. That is pretty much how it is. Okay. If I say like SSS, just to choose the new one they're talking, then I will have 2 ASA firewall. This one and this one. I just named it SSS because it just wanted a name. It just wanted a name, right? So it just wanted like to install, because I already installed my ASA firewall into my GNS3, and it just wanted different ASA firewall. But the normal name is Cisco ASA V 9.2-204. This one is the one I just gave it to. Okay, let me take this SSA, or change the host name. Say like ASA, because you can change the name in here, ASA firewall 1. Okay, we see. Okay, now let me start. You see, it is started already, and then let me go to the console. You see, okay, this is another problem I'm gonna solve with you. Yeah, this no one likes this VNC integrated thing right here. Okay, and this black window with this. I mean, I don't like this terminal because it's like you have to. If I get another ASA firewall. Okay, so I cannot run when it's running. Okay, it says like cannot add when it's running, or when it is on. So now I turn it off. Okay, these are two firewalls. So now I've got two windows, which is not good. Yeah, I've got two windows, so I don't want these two windows, right? I don't want these two windows. So what am I going to do now? I'm gonna turn this one off. I want to use secure CRT, you know, to have a nice secure CRT. Okay, I love secure CRT. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to edit, preference, and then I've already been using a secure CRT. So I will go to my console. I will copy all of this. I mean the path of the console of my GNS3. I've been using already GNS3, so I will copy this path, and the VNC is here right next to it. So it's using the black window, this software TN viewer. So I will edit. I will go. I will click here. I will use the custom. Then I will save. So the custom name will be secure CRT. I'm just making it the name, okay? Secure CRT, and then it saves. It saves from secure CRT. Okay. So yeah, it will save secure CRT. Okay. So what I will be doing, I will save this path, and then I will apply. I paste this. This is the one I copied from this console application right here. So now I went here, I paste it, I edit, and then paste it here. So it'll be okay. So now if I go to these guys and say like custom console, then I will see the custom, and then I will see this telnet. So if we say like, okay, if we click 2 times, then it's not gonna work. So what are we going to do? It's not gonna work. It just gives me that percentage and that D there instead of ASA firewall or ASA1 or ASA2. So what are we going to do? Let me change it, the host name of this one as well, ASA2. Right. So what are we going to do? What are we missing? What we are missing is, I will go back to preference, and then I will go to Chemo. Then I highlight this SSS, and then I will go to the console type. Okay, the console type now is VNC. So I will edit, and then I will change it to telnet. Okay, and then okay. So now it should work. Okay, it's not still working. Okay, so what are we going? Let me turn it off and then turn it back on. Okay, still not working. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna turn it off, go back, preference again, Chemo, and then this, choose this. Okay, and then go to, yeah, I'm already, the console type is telnet. Okay, it's not still working. So what? There is a problem here. We have to solve it together. So let me go preference, VNC right here. The telnet is there, good. Chemo, SSS. Okay, these guys console. So good. It's not working. So let me just for some reason. So yeah. So now we take that guy out. We take another one there. and then we connect it to each other. Then we're gonna see if they run what they call if they run secure CRT, and now they look, they are running secure CRT. You see, they are running secure CRT. So what is the steps we have done? The steps we have done, we went to a website, we downloaded this appliance right here. We went to marketplace. We went to GNS3. We went to marketplace. We went to appliance. We searched the appliance, ASA appliance. We downloaded. We collected this one and we downloaded. That was the first step. The second step was we went to file. We want to import the appliance, and then we went to appliance. GNS3 Cisco ASA GNS3 appliance, and then we opened, and then we went all the way through. You know, like we follow with the process that like run appliance on the GNS VM, and then continue, and then ready to install. We installed. I'm not gonna go through again. So that is the way you successfully run GNS3 over ASA firewall over GNS3 and enjoy. Okay, let me configure. There's no password, right? Okay, let me configure ASA. Configure terminal. Okay, interface gigabyte 0/0 no shut. Name if outside. Okay, IP address the 255.255.255.0. Security level, let me say 0 because it's outside, and then let me go route. So route 0.0.0.0, and then route outside 0.0.0.0 0.0.0.0, and then to 1.1.1.2 to the neighbor. Okay, and then I will go here, show run interface gig 0/0, then copy, this bit and go to ASA firewall. Config terminal. And then interface. Okay. Interface gig 0/0. And then paste my stuff. The IP address I should change to, and then let me take the route here. Let me take the route, come here, and then point it to point it to 1. That's all about it. So if we ping 10.1.1, there's no route. You know the problem, because it is just interface gig 0/0 no shut. And let me go to this one, gig 0/0 no shut. Then we ping then we ping 1.2.2.2. Yep, you see, and then we ping. I mean, that's the basic connectivity that we need to have first. Ping. So that is, my friend, is how you can integrate GNS3 VM into ASA VM 9.5.2-204. I hope it has been good. I mean, it has been helpful for you, and thank you very much for watching, and subscribe and share please if you like it. Thank you very much. Have a great night. See you.